Alright guys, so we are doing market structure and I am currently on UJ. It is Wednesday, and for market structure on UJ specifically, the 1 hour takes a long time to form. So what I'll do is I'll still mark out the 1 hour anyway by doing this. So where is price currently at? So price is currently right here, right? So we want to zoom all the way out, whether you're on the phone, computer. I'm actually on the phone because my PC is actually being delivered to my house because I jammed it, but we're going to get into that in another video. Anyways, so if you zoom all the way out, you can clearly see a structural forming price action that's going upward, because there's a reason it's going upward, because there's structure that holds the market in place, right? And within structure, the people that create structure are smart money. So when there's volatile news, that makes the market jump and impulse upwards or downwards at a really aggressive rate. And that creates market structure. That creates our highs and lows that I'm marking up that you see right now. And so we had a high back there. Then we had a low, low, high, high highs. We have higher highs and we have higher lows, indicating that structure is in fact bullish. And so what I like to do on UJ specifically is I like to go down a time frame. I'll go to the 15-minute time frame. Then I'll go down here. And when I'm down here, let's see what I notice. I'm actually going to wait because I expect UJ to actually go back down. And if it doesn't go back down all the way to a higher time frame gap down here below, or a point of interest, and if you know how I trade, when I say point of interest, that just means area that I'm interested in trading. And so right here, there's a gap right there, an imbalance gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark that, and how I mark it is this. So that's the gap. And within that rectangle that you guys see here, that represents the space, the width, the area of the actual gap. So what I mean by gap is I mean by the space in between that candle wick and that candle wick up top. That's my box is actually being drawn in between. And this space has not been tapped into, because when the market has volatile news and that's so aggressive, sometimes the market just goes straight up and doesn't have time to come back down and do that whole healthy price action thing you're used to with up, down, up, down. Sometimes the market, instead of going up, down, it will just go straight up or straight down. And so we can actually capitalize by trading these gaps when price will return to them. And so what we're doing right now is I'm actually going to wait for UJ to come down to this level. And if it doesn't, that's cool too. But I'm going to go into 5 minute, because you can trade 5-minute structure on UJ. So here we go. So the first structure we have is right here currently. So we have a current, this is on the 5 minute. We have a current low here, and we have a current high here. We have a previous low here, and we have a previous high here. And technically, we have another one right here. So that in total is 5 pieces of structure. And so I'm actually expecting this, like I said, to come back down to all the way down here to where this box is, right here, okay? And I'm not actually going to assume or sell my way down to that box until UJ breaks structure. So right now, I'm in a bullish structure, up structure, so I don't need to sell yet. And so if price today, guys, breaks that that previous high, if price breaks, sorry guys, I'm gonna check that. If price breaks that previous high, then I will be looking for supply, for some demand zones to buy off of. And if price breaks the structure, I will be looking for some supply/sell zones to sell. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this little quick reel to show you guys how I make my structure. So really, Forex is just structure within structures. Like there's different time frames in the Forex chart. So there's this time frame, which is the 15-minute. There's structure right there. And then if you go to like the daily, it's just structure within structure. So if my tip for you is to just practice with market structure. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Peace.